Hello, so we have here another gadget. So this one is called the touch sensitive alarm. So we buy this from online store. So let's see if we can use this for security. So you can have it as like in your doorknob or anything in your window. So you can put it there, and then when someone touch your doorknob or your window, it will alarm. So just a couple of instruction manual. It's again Chinese language, but basically it's not that so complicated. So we have an IC base here. So we use anti-static strap now, since this will be a very sensitive component. So we have the battery holder, the PCB where we will mount everything here, and this is the IC base. This is the one that handles the music or the alarm. So you can set different alarm. So this one contains music. So this one is this is soldered here, and the rest are discrete components. So we have here the buzzer, potentiometer, and it's a trimmer you can adjust, and a couple of capacitors, and then another capacitor. These ceramic capacitors, and also resistors. So we will color code again. Then this is another IC. This is called the 555 IC. So this one handles the delay, and a transistor amplify signals, and a LED. So this LED has three kinds of basically two kinds of light. So it changes, depends on which one is connected. The middle one is the common, and these two are different colors. So usually it's either red or green, so it can turn red or green, so depending on which one is power on. And then another sensor. This one for, so you can see there's a ball there. So when this one changes or it vibrates, it detects vibration. So it's a physical, similar to the phones. There is it can detect vibration, but this one is the big version. So this detection of movement will cause to alarm. So just a slight movement in your doorknob or in your window, this will trigger the alarm. Okay, so let's try to assemble this a couple of components, and let's try it out in our doorknob. Okay, so important when holding again components, especially with this sensitive IC, you should have your anti-static strap, and this mat is also anti-static. So let's assemble this.
You like Nufia? Sure wait.
Long time.
What? You like Nufia? Behind one gate.
No can.
Cause you sure for keep out. Brothers with no color. Hi maka maka, no doubt.
Me.
Heard you say bra, we say bra.
Stop.
First you like cruise down the beach.
What?
Then you like by ocean front. Then you like make them all private.
No
Cousin,
way.
I gotta be blunt. During the pandemic, Malahini epidemic, Malahini relocating, now the local ways are fading. Got $1 million by the real estate, you ballin', now I can't afford my rent. Now I'm living in a tent.
Never mind wrestling. Never mind. All I can say. Make out your hair.
Okay, so we have completed the assembly. So we have here the sensor and also the touch sensor. So I make modifications here because cannot reach the soldering. So let's try this. Okay, so touch, this one will vibration, this one will have trigger like that, and then it will automatically off, and then this one is the okay, so it's good alarm system for your home. Okay, so we have here an improved version. This is already assembled, and you can buy this online. So this one, you just insert it on your doorknobs,
No can.
and then if someone touch any part, will alarm. So for the sake of testing this, let's put some muzzle here because it's so loud. Okay, so after that you insert and power on. Okay, then so that's how sensitive it is. Much more if you